Welcome to Learning English with Music. My name is Panda Jay and I'm your teacher today. We are going to practice the present simple, the present continuous and the future with the song The Story of Harry James.
Harry James is a very happy man. He is an English teacher and he lives in a small house. He has short brown hair and blue eyes. Every day he wears a white shirt and dark blue trousers. He has a nice black watch on his arm. He loves his life and he likes his quiet room. Now the sun is shining outside. Harry is sitting under a large tree. He is thinking about a beautiful woman. He's going to see her next week. They are going to walk together. Love is a beautiful feeling. Harry has a best friend. His name is Leo. Leo is a chef and he is a funny person. But today, Harry is not with Leo. He wants to write a sweet letter. He can play the piano and he can sing beautiful songs. He must tell her about his warm heart. Now the sun is shining outside. Harry is sitting under a large tree. He is thinking about a beautiful woman. Later, he's going to see her. Next week, they are going to walk together. Love is a beautiful feeling. The summer is gonna be wonderful. Harry and his love are gonna travel to a beautiful beach. They do not want to stay in a big hotel. They want to sleep in a tent. They're gonna swim in the blue sea every morning. They're gonna enjoy the hot sun. They can be happy together every day. Now Harry is smiling because life is good. He is not looking at his watch. He is waiting for her. Later, they are going to speak about the future. That is the story of Harry James.
this video, write in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and share the video with your friends.
And if you'd like to practice more, click the link up here to jump into the next English lesson.